Where is the man? The man is in the glass jar. Where's the driver? The driver's in the car. Where's the frozen food? The frozen food is in the freezer. Where's the water? The water's in the bucket. Where's the cleaner? The cleaner's in the bathroom. Where's the woman? The woman's in the bathtub. Where's the man? The man is in his bedroom. Where's the man? The man's in his living room. Where's the woman? The woman's in a glass bottle. Where's the woman? The woman's in the kitchen. Where's the woman? The woman's in the shower. Where's the criminal? The criminal's in prison. Where's the dog? The dog's in the boot. Where's the dog? The dog's in the suitcase. Where's the goalkeeper? The goalkeeper's in the air. Where's the rubbish? The rubbish is in the wastebasket. Where's the food? The food's in the fridge. Where's the water? The water's in the glass. Where's the dog? The dog's in the cardboard box. Where's the woman? The woman's in the box. Where's the milk? The milk's in the glass jar and in the glass. Where's the food? The food's in the bin. Where's the food? The food's in the shopping bag. Where's the food? The food's in the shopping basket. Where's the food? The food's in the bin. Where's the bird? The bird's in the sky. Where are the vegetables? The vegetables are in the basket. Where's the plane? The plane's in the sky. Where's the nose? The nose is in the sky. Where is the coffee? The coffee is in the cup. Where is the horse? The horse is in the field. Where are the plates? The plates are in the cupboard. Where are the clothes? The clothes are in the wardrobe. Where are the dishes? The dishes are in the dishwasher. Where are the dishes? The dishes are in the sink. Where are the chocolates? The chocolates are in the box. Where are the golf clubs? The golf clubs are in the golf bag. Where are the clothes? The clothes are in the washing machine. Where are the birds? The birds are in the water. Where are the eggs? The eggs are in the pot. Where are the crisps? The crisps are in the bag.